Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isspace. In Python, the isspace method returns true if all characters in the specified string are whitespace and there is at least one character in the specified string. Otherwise, it will return false. The syntax for the method is string underscore object followed by dot isspace with opening and closing parentheses. For the string method isspace, there are no parameters. And the string that we'll work with here is there are around 700 separate programming languages for the variable num underscore lang, and we'll return this here as output. So we'll start off with a white space check for this string. So we'll check if the num underscore lang string contains only white space, and we'll print num underscore lang dot isspace. And we can see here that this returns false. So return false because there are alphabetical characters and numbers. And we can also check for an alphanumeric string. So we'll create a string here called alphan underscore string, which equals to hello, where the E and the O are numbers. And we can print alphan underscore string dot isspace. We can see here that this also returns false. So return false due to the alphabetical characters. And we can also check here for special characters. So we'll create num underscore 3 variable, which equals to a hashtag 3 with a space at the end. And we'll print num underscore 3. And we can see here based on the output that this is also false. All right, so return false due to new line character. And we can also check for a tab string. So tab string is equal to a string 1 with a tab at the end and a space in the middle. So we can print tab string dot isspace. And this here also returns false. So return false due to the tab separated character. Now, some examples of valid whitespace character strings are a double whitespace. So we'll create a variable here called double underscore whitespace underscore str, which is equals to 2 whitespaces. And we can print all characters in this string, whitespaces, true or false. So double whitespace string dot isspace. And we can see here that this returns true. So return true, only whitespace characters. We can also check with Unicode whitespace. So Unicode whitespace is a \U followed by 0020. So we'll create a variable called Unicode underscore W space, which equals to \U 0020. And we can print this Unicode space just to see what it looks like as an output. So we can see here that this is just a white space here, highlighted in blue. So we can print all characters in this string, white spaces, true or false, Unicode whitespace dot isspace. And we can see here based on the output that this is true, right? So this Unicode string here only contains whitespace characters. So this is how to use the isspace method to check if a string only contains whitespace characters.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, The best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.